Across the street as the Supreme Court term winds down, the watch and wait game heats up with some of those hot button cases still awaiting opinions. Jared Hill has today's headlines from the bench and what court watchers are expecting.
Tuesday, the Supreme Court issued a handful of opinions with religion taking center stage. The court ruled 6-3 a former Louisiana inmate cannot sue prison officials who shaved his dreadlocks. Justice Neil Gorsuch, writing for the majority in Landor v. Louisiana Department of Corrections, said while Damon Landor's Rastafari religious beliefs were indeed violated, the federal statute designed to protect inmates' rights does not permit lawsuits for monetary damages.
Even though we're talking about religious rights, this is not a First Amendment decision.
As the court calendar winds down, major issues are still hanging in the balance, including birthright citizenship, 2 cases involving the president's power to remove employees from independent agencies, and whether states can bar transgender athletes from participating in girls' and women's sports.
Save women's sports!
We're certainly going to keep our eye on the transgender sports case, on the birthright citizenship case.
But court watchers are especially interested in the 2 cases focused on presidential power that could limit congressional authority. One involves President Trump's attempt to fire Lisa Cook from the Federal Reserve Board of Governors. Another concerns whether the president can remove a member of the Federal Trade Commission.
It's really critical, not just for this presidency, but determining the power of the presidency going forward in America.
The court's next opinion day is Thursday, though rulings on these thornier cases could carry into early July. Jared Hill, CBS News.
And again, the total number of cases we are still waiting for is 12. High Court expected to have those before we get to the first week in the July 4th holiday.